Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to participate in Binance staking pools. I just tap on my Binance account and officially logged in, and I will just tap on this more button in dashboard, and after insert I will just scroll down to find uh, staking. So here you will see the ETH staking. So I just tap on it and earn daily yield, utilize your staking. So what is WBETH? So it is a reference of annual percent rate, which is 2.77% of one WBETH. You will see this is a conversion ratio. So if you start earning in 3 steps, so stake 8th is receive WB8 based on daily conversion ratio and earn daily rewards, and you can just flexibility to redeem 8th. And it also Binance covers it also. You will see there is a get started with only of 0.001 ETH and slashing plenty covered by Binance flexibility and exit policy and trust by our users. With total you will see this amount in some numbers and ETH stake. So DeFi use case with WB ETH, and you can explore WB ETH use cases. So enjoy your earning by holding WB ETH and utilize them for multiple use cases below. Staking is a way to earn rewards by making your crypto available for use in the cryptocurrencies validation progress. And not all cryptocurrencies offer this option, but if they do, you can deposit your coins and earn long-term rewards similar to fixed term deposit. So that how you can profit generate easily on Binance staking. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.